Hey, what's up guys, Adib here. Today we're gonna take a look at the Invictus OS Android 8.1 ROM for the Redmi Note 4 and the Redmi Note 4X. And guys, before starting, I do wanna mention that I didn't found any bugs in this ROM. So guys, with that being said, let's get started and take a look at this ROM. Alright, so this ROM does comes with a face unlock feature just like most of the ROMs these days, and the fingerprint sensor is also working in this ROM, which is very good. And guys, talking about the launcher of this ROM, the default launcher of this ROM does comes with a few customization features which is pretty good. And let's actually move on to the settings itself. So in these settings you get like the typical settings. So let's go to the display. You get live display, you get ambient display, and you also get a few theming options. So if you want, you can change the theme from light, dark and black, and you can also change the accents. And yes guys, these accents color does comes pre-installed. So yes, you can change between a few accents here in case if you want to, but as always my favorite accent is pixel blue, so I'm just gonna change to that particular one. And yeah, now guys, let's actually go back and let's check out the about. And yes, you are getting Invictus OS with Android 8.1.0 audio on top, which is pretty good. And here you go, Invictus OS logo. Let's go back, let's check out the RAM management of this ROM. So guys, the RAM management of this ROM is also good, I would say. Let's just go back and let's take a look at this. Here we go. So yeah, that's you're getting. And this ROM does comes with good battery life as far as I know, because I did saw some battery stats of a few users. And this ROM also comes with a customization hub, but the thing is this ROM comes with very minimal customization. But yes guys, the important customization options or the customization options that you care about is there. And yes, button remapping is also there in the system options. So yeah, that is pretty good. So it's not for the users who likes highly customizable ROMs, it's just a pretty minimal customization. So if you like it, then you can go with this ROM, and it's pretty stable guys. At least in my usage I didn't found any crashes or any bugs, something like that. And the camera is also working here pretty fine. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. Let me know which ROM you wanna see me overviewing to you guys. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, share this video, subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon, and I'll see you guys in the next one.